Hello, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals here. We're here on a commercial carpet cleaning here. Deep cleaning here. You can see there's heavy traffic. All right. We have this room to do. This room here. This hallway. All right. This is going to be the challenge here, this main walkway area. And this, I think this is coffee, they said. Now, you know, that's really hard to get up because it's a dye. There's a dye inside coffee. So we're gonna treat it the best we can. All right, so stick with me. All right, just wanted to show you these two stains here. I'm gonna try to attempt to clean these two stains. Just showing you real quick what we're doing. And so we're gonna do these two here. So not that one up there, we're gonna do this. Now, I'm not sure how long these stains have been down. Sure, they've been down longer than 6 months. So that's why there's still discoloration in the color from the carpet, from the stain. Stained it permanently. If they're not cleaned every 6 months, or the stain's not cleaned within 6 months, that's the effect of it. But you can see it's still coming up really nice. The other stain came out great too. One more stain. All right, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals. We're finished here with the commercial cleaning. So come take a look. Turned out really good. There was a big area right there that had a mark in it. Gone. Hallway was a totally different color, as you've seen in the pictures before. This office wasn't too bad. This one was, there was areas all over, dark spots. This is a warehouse, so there was dark spots all over. We got all that up. There was a big coffee stain here. Coffee's really hard to get up because it's a dye. There's a dye inside of it. We got that all up. Stain at the edge of this table here came up really nice. Man, this whole job came out really good. There's a low moisture cleaning. It's going to take 2 hours for it to dry. Some of us are mostly already dry. We've been here for 3 hours. I did this job by myself here. All right. There was a big stain underneath here we got up. It was real black. Came right up. All right, stay tuned for the next cleaning.